morning friends, welcome to my channel. So today in this video I have some good news to share. Okay, so good news is on the COVID-19 situation currently we are facing. So this will be a game changer, and there's already been discussion in the news and it's already out in the media from past 2 days. So we will discuss more in detail about this news. So let's get started. So, like I already gave you a clue, this good news is actually on the COVID-19 medicine and its effect. Okay, so there is already a medicine out. It's going to be launched very soon. So that is a good news. And today we will discuss about this medicine in detail. Okay, so this medicine is actually called as Favipiravir, and it is about a new COVID-19 medicine which has been approved. Okay, and it is an antiviral drug which is currently being tested in 18 clinical trials for COVID-19, and the results from 2 studies have shown a positive outcome, friends. So I'm very happy to announce this, friends. So I thought I should share this with everybody. So please stay till the end of this video to get more information about this new medicine on the prescription and how it should be used. So I will share as much as information from the company's press release also. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and like and comment so that I can come up with many such information in future. Okay, so let's get started. So this medicine was actually developed by a Mumbai-based Glenmark Pharmaceuticals, and it has received approval from Drug Controller General of India to manufacture and market Favipiravir. So this is the name of the drug, friends, and it's an antiviral drug. It is used to treat COVID-19 patients. So the drug is likely to be available in the market in the next few days, and the government and the company is working towards it to make it available as soon as possible. It has been actually expedited so that it is not been treated as a normal medicine given the situation we are in, and government and the company is doing all possible things to make sure that it is out in the market as soon as possible. So Favipiravir, like I said, is an antiviral drug. It has already been approved for COVID-19 patients, but is it a new medicine? No. So this was actually approved in Japan for treating influenza. Okay, and it is currently being tested in 18 clinical trials for COVID-19, and results from 2 studies have shown a positive outcome. Okay, so while data from other trials is still awaited, but with the 18 which is already being tested, that there are some positive responses, and it is based on a phase 3 data. The company obtained approval for manufacture and marketing of antiviral drug called as Favipiravir, which has been branded as FabiFlu, an oral medication, friends. So it has been now branded as FabiFlu, and it is an oral medication. Okay, so the approval is for emergency restricted use only for treatment of mild to moderate COVID-19 patients. So it is approved for treatment of mild to moderate COVID-19 patients only. So what does it tell? So if it is used only for mild to moderate, still it is a big game changer, because currently the situation we are in India, I think 60 to 70% of the cases are mild to moderate. Okay, so it's going to be a big game changer. And approvals restricted use entails responsible medication use, where every patient actually must have signed informed consent before treatment initiation. Okay, so there should be a patient's consent before they start using this medication. And this was actually released by the company Glenmark on Saturday, June 20th. The company successfully developed the active pharmaceutical ingredient and formulated of FabiFlu through its own in-house R&D team. Okay, so like I said, and clinical trials and India drug regulator has already approved, which is DCGI is a regulatory body, and became the first pharmaceutical company in India, Glenmark, to receive approval of conducting phase 3 clinical trial on mild to moderate patients. And now the company actually claims that Favipiravir, which is FabiFlu, shows clinical improvements of up to 88% in COVID-19 mild and moderate patients. Okay, and with a rapid reduction in viral load by 4 days. So that is how much effective it's going to be. Within 4 days you will start seeing the reductions. And the drug will be available in prescription based medication for rupees 103 per tablet. So this is how much it's going to cost, rupees 103 per tablet, with recommended dose being 1800 mg twice daily on day 1 and followed by 800 mg twice daily up to day 14. Okay. And in India, a randomized multi-center study was done on Indian patients to test the drug efficacy and safety with standard of care versus the standard of care alone in mild to moderate COVID-19. This was actually mentioned by the company, and the study actually enrolled 150 patients, and the study details are actually yet to be published in a peer-reviewed paper. Okay, and this medicine showed a better rate of clinical recovery on 7th day compared to other medicine which was in trials, and it is also led to a quicker relief from fever and cough. And the observational study in Japan, comprising 2141 patients with mild to moderate symptoms, showed clinical improvements from this medicine. So this was a study conducted in Japan on about 2141 patients. So is the government conducting trials to test this drug? So answer to that question is yes, guys. The government is actually conducting trials. The Council of Scientific and Indian Research, which is CSIR, had done end-to-end synthesis of favipiravir in April. And earlier this week, CSIR got approvals from DGCI to conduct multi-center phase 2 trials of the drug. So this is what basically it is. All the back-end work before this announcement was done by the company, and like I said, it was put on a fast track to make sure this approval process is done as early as possible so that it reaches the common man or the people actually affected by this COVID-19, guys. And this was how the accelerated process took place, and it has been currently approved after trials. Majority of them are positive. So this company, Glenmark Pharmaceuticals, on Saturday in the press launch, they actually said it's an antiviral drug under the brand name FabiFlu. Okay, so like I said, it's going to be named as FabiFlu for the price of 103 per tablet, and it will be available as a 200 mg tablet at a maximum retail price of 3,500 for a strip of 34 tablets. Okay, so it's gonna be a 3,500 cost for a strip of 34 tablets. It was released by Glenmark Pharmaceuticals on Saturday, and like I already said, it is the first oral medication in India for the treatment of COVID-19. And when it was discussed by the media, so considering a minimum of 2 strips per patient, so Glenmark will be able to provide FabiFlu for about 82,500 patients in the first month itself. So this is going to be their capacity of how many medicines it will be able to circulate and how soon it's going to be able to done. This was actually discussed with the company, and the company said that if it is going to be like a 2 strip per patient, so if it requires 2 strip per patient, then Glenmark will be able to provide about 82,500 patients in the first month itself. So that is how they are equipped now to provide this medicine. And we will be, what company also said is, we will be closely monitoring the evolving situation, and basis the situation we will work to scale up and meet the healthcare needs of the country. So they are ready to increase the demand if the situation is required, and the company is producing the active pharmaceutical ingredients for the product at its Ankleshwar plant. Okay, and while the formulation is being manufactured at his Badi plant. The drug will be available both through hospital and retail channel, and this was confirmed by company. And the company is also looking for tie-ups with hospitals for supply of drug, and effective right now, it is to prioritize manufacturing to ensure FabiFlu is accessible to all patients who needs it. Okay, and the company also said they will be certainly making a consideration to support private and public healthcare facilities and arrange for other suitable options as per the need and in time. So guys, friends, this is the good news I had for you guys today. There is a lot of information in the media, in the other channels, social media channels also. So if you need more, please go ahead and research. So it is a good news for our country. There is something good happening in terms of the fight we are with the COVID-19. There is some positive news coming our way, and if everything goes as per plan, so within a couple of days or probably in a week, we will have this medicine out in the market. Okay, and hopefully it should work, and we should come out of the situation as early as possible. So that's it guys, signing off for today. And like I said, if you are interested, if you have liked this video, please like, comment, and also do not forget to subscribe so that I can come up with many such information in future with your support. Thank you guys for watching this video. Have a good day.